Today on City Foodie Farm, we are going to be making these delicious cherry love pies. These little pies are so easy to make, and whoever you decide to make them for is going to know that they're loved. Now let's go over all of the ingredients. You will need 2 pre-made pie crusts, a can of cherry filling, sprinkles, 2 tablespoons of butter, a heart cookie cutter, a basting brush, and a fork. Now you'll want to prep your work surface. You will need some parchment paper. You'll want to unroll your pre-made pie crust. I originally thought I only needed 1, but you do need 2. Depends on exactly how many you want to make, but I thought 3 little love pies out of 1 crust just wasn't enough for a family. So you'll want to roll it out and then just cut out these hearts and try to utilize the whole pie crust. Do you see that star in the center? I can't make another heart, but we are going to be turning that into something different at the end. I'm a huge cherry fan, but if you're not, remember you can always use another filling. Now melt your butter, get that ready. We are going to be just spooning on a little bit of this cherry, not too much because it will ooze out. Yes, we are going to be using another pie crust and cutting out the same way we did it the last time. These ones that we cut out are going to be the tops to our pies. And again, make sure you save that star. We'll do something with that. Okay, we're going to put the tops on. I am really starting to love these pre-made pie crusts. Someday I'll learn how to make it from scratch, but for now, I've really enjoyed making these and also the different galettes that I've made. The strawberry and Nutella galette, if you haven't checked that recipe out, that is a really good dessert. And then also my apple galette is another favorite. And now just take a fork. We're going to be sealing the sides. Just use your fork and press down along the edge of your cherry love pies. Now, if you see a little bit of the pie filling ooze out, don't worry about it. These are not perfect, you know, they still taste good. And when we use the red sprinkles, it actually covers it up. You want to make a little slit in the center so it will let the steam out. You want to baste it with the butter and then sprinkle on those red sprinkles. Those red sprinkles will make these pies so fun for Valentine's Day, and kids are going to love them. And if you haven't already, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. We are going to be cooking these for 20 minutes. You just want to be careful so they don't burn. So make sure to check them at 20 minutes. These are done. You see how a little bit of the pie filling oozed out, but actually when you use a spatula to scoop them up, you can actually kind of break off that area. And even if a little tiny bit burned, you can actually chip that off so they look perfect. Now we get to try it. I would love to have a little bit of ice cream with these. Maybe add a little bit of the cherry pie filling with the ice cream and have this. Wouldn't that be a fun dessert? But I'm out of ice cream. So we're just gonna try these without. And these are so fun because they are like a grab and go. My daughter actually took one for lunch, which I was kind of surprised by that. But kids love these and they can grab and go as a fun dessert. They don't have to sit down and eat it. They can literally head out the door. They were really good. I guess I love them because I love anything cherry. Okay, remember those stars? So this was the leftover pie crust. We're going to be adding some cherries to these as well and just folding them over. Simple. It's like you're getting a little bonus. You'll want to cook them at 425 for about 20 minutes, and you'll have about half a can left of this pie filling, just so you know. You'll want to baste it with butter, sprinkle it with granulated sugar. So this is a little bit of a different dessert, but they were delicious. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you can make these cherry love pies. Until next time, happy cooking.